Hi guys, welcome back to another week of gluten-free Friday flavors. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful Friday, good weekend. I can tell you the yummy dish coming your way is another chicken dish, not one I've done before. It's called taco chicken dish, and there's so many variations on it. This is how we like to do it, but you can add a lot of different things to your liking. The main thing is you crock pot the chicken, slow cook it on low or on high, and then it's super easy after that. So here you go, follow along.
After spraying the bottom of the crock pot, place 4 to 6 chicken breasts inside the crock pot. It's totally up to you, the amount. And then I sprinkle it with some pepper and some Lowry seasoning salt. Again, that option is up to you. I put a third a cup of chicken broth just to moisten it and add a little bit more flavor. And then I also do about a third a cup of brown sugar, sprinkle it all over, and that adds such a wonderful flavor to it. Next, you start your crock pot up. I usually put it on low for anywhere between 4 to 6 hours. It's up to you as far as how many chicken breasts you have in there. And then once it's finished, you'll be able to tell because it's quite easy to shred. And it takes a minute to shred this, but honestly, this is the hardest part of it, and it's not even that bad.
Just wanted to interrupt real quick and give you a side note that this is one of those things that can feed a lot of people if you need to. We've had like a group of 35 at our house and just done a few crock pots of this dish, and it goes a long way. So just know it's one of those that's great for feeding a lot of people. Super Bowl Sunday, family get-togethers. This is a great one for that.
All right, so now you have all of your chicken shredded. You are going to put it back into the juices. There should be juice at the bottom of your crock pot. It adds so much moisture and flavor. So you'll add that in, and then you'll start putting in the different ingredients that you would like to add. For us, we love a small can of black olives, and then I will rinse off and strain some black beans and put a can of black beans. I just feel like those black beans add that much more protein and just more of a hearty Mexican flavor. After that, I will get some golden corn, do the same thing, clean them off, strain them, and then proceed to put them in the crock pot. You can stir as you go, or you can wait till you're all done and stir. It's totally up to you. Next, you'll do a half a cup to a cup of salsa, depending on flavor. I love picante sauce salsa, but again, it's up to you. A package of cream cheese. I always love Philadelphia cream cheese. And this part, you want to cover that cream cheese, and then you proceed to cook it in the slow cooker for like half hour to 40 minutes until it is all melted. That cream cheese is all melted. And stir it together, and you're done. You can start dishing up. It is such a yummy meal. Like I say, it lasts a while. We put cheese on top, and then we also crush the chips on top of that, and it is delicious. Hope you try this one at home. I think you'll love it. Thanks for watching.
So a few other things that you could stick on there. I've seen sour cream. You could do some green onions. We even tried Frito chips, and they taste really good, as well as gluten-free corn tacos, like rolling it up into a corn taco. That's another way. So the options are endless. We have even had, because it makes quite a bit, we've even had enough extra that we have put it in our freezer so that we can slow cook it another time. So that's an idea as well. And so hopefully you like it, you enjoy. I would love to hear comments of other items that you would maybe throw in there for your family. But just please like, subscribe, and share, and just know that it's something that even if you're not gluten-free, it still tastes yummy. It's naturally a gluten-free recipe, and it should be something you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week with another something of gluten-free Friday flavors. Bye.